Welcome to Pista Nayon, Acsenda's celebration of Filipino culture, color, and community. Today, we bring the heart of the Philippines to campus through music, dance, food, and festivals from across the archipelago. From Luzon to Visayas to Mindanao, every beat, every step, and every smile is a tribute to our shared heritage. Join us as we celebrate the spirit of unity and joy at Pista Nayon 2025.
So hi, I'm Sharmela Cudiniera representing Kadayawan. Kadayawan Festival is held in Davao City, Philippines on every August 3 of the year. It's a celebration of honoring farmers, harvest, celebrating life, dance, and many more.
Sinulog Festival is known as the queen of all festivals. It is held in Cebu and during the third week of January.
I'm Cherry Felicidario Regalado and I am representing the Kalibo Ati-Atihan Festival, the mother of all Philippine festivals. And it signifies to me my devotion and great faith to Señor Santo Niño. Viva!
Hello everyone, I'm Angeline Geronimo representing Panagbenga Festival. Panagbenga Festival is not only a flower celebration, it's also a tribute of Baguio City's cultural heritage and resilience.
As an international student and as someone who's away from home, this means so much to us as we celebrate our Filipino culture. And of course, this reminds us, since it's also Araw ng Kagitingan back home, this reminds us of the bravery and unity that our soldiers fought for and our independence right now.
We're not just celebrating culture, we're sharing it.
Acsenda School of Management celebrates Diversity Month for April, and today we celebrated the rich and vibrant culture of the Philippines. As a senior student of Acsenda, this means so much to me because we get to celebrate all the festivals we have back home, and being far from the Philippines, I'm so happy that I get to experience it once again. Thank you so much, Acsenda School of Management.
Good morning, everyone. This is Consul General Gina Hamoralin of the Philippine Consulate in Vancouver. I'm here to attend this very first Filipino cultural celebration by the Filipino students here at Acsenda School of Management. I'm very honored to be one of their guests and witness how the Filipino students, presented the traditions and culture of the Philippines. I'm very happy that they haven't through their efforts to dance, music, they're able to recreate the culture of the Philippines. And I thank Acsenda for giving them the time, opportunity to be able to put up a cultural show which is really worthy of emulation, and very happy that the Filipino students here in the school are happy and thriving, and hopefully I wish them all the best in their studies. Thank you very much.
This April we are celebrating diversity at Acsenda School of Management. Canada is a nation that's often described as a mosaic of cultures, and it's a great example of how diversity can work. We can achieve diversity through experiencing other people's cultures and festivals and traditions. And today at Acsenda, we had the opportunity to celebrate Pista sa Nayon, a cultural festival that highlighted the cultures, traditions, the dress, and the food of different regions from the Philippines. I want to thank everybody for their participation in today's celebration, for sharing your culture with us here at Acsenda, and we look forward to learning more about the wonderful traditions and cultures in the future.
Let this be a reminder how culture can be a powerful way to bring people together.
We are Acsenda!